Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I am going to reveal guys fresh new approach in no way visible before on the way to make $457 with reproduction and paste method on YouTube. Step by way of step, so this is one of the simplest ways to make cash online, and additionally it is sparkling new technique by no means seen. So make certain to watch this video until cease, because no person is doing this proper. Now, and also men, in case you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure to press that subscribe button due to the fact we upload day by day videos in this channel how to make cash online, a way to make cash on YouTube, so you do not need to miss them out. So make certain to press that subscribe button. So we are going to take benefit of this website known as Massive Sub Bailey, and we are going to do it very differently, so make certain to look at this video intently. So what is Pixabay? In case you don't know, it's miles one of the most important website where you may locate free, now not copyrighted videos or pics. So there are lots of different unfastened videos that you could cross and reuse them in your YouTube channel for your videos without getting copyright strike or something. You may see these are particularly professional films, and additionally they were loose to use. You don't want it to pay for them. You may simply go download we need unfastened license and reuse them. So I need to display you men how you could go and take gain of this and grow your YouTube channel and additionally make money from it. So first of all, a number of you, a whole lot of you men are going to ask me, but who needs those 3 photos loose films? I do not recognize, and I need to reply your question. So in case you go and test facts for Pixabay, you may see that every unmarried month over 45 million people comes to this internet site to get those loose, now not copyrighted movies or pics. So I need to show you, man, as I said, how you could move and take gain of these free motion pictures and reuse them on your YouTube channel and actually make money from that. So we're now not going to run YouTube ads. We are not your going to use AdSense. So make certain to watch this video till and the way to do it. So first component that you need to do is you need to discover some free video on this website. Let's pass and use this one so you can see this is very professional video, and we can go in without a doubt, download it and add it on our YouTube channel. So you can see this is a few flower. I am going to pause it to show you guys how this video looks as if. So what we will do is we can move and take this video totally free. I am going to show you men now a way to do it. So first thing, you could see it's miles loose for business use so that you can pass and reuse this video wherever you want. So what you want to do is want to click on this button proper here, loose download. So allows go and click on that and click right here, click on download button. So what we are going to do now could be we're going to take this downloaded video, re-upload it on YouTube, and ask people to download this video without spending a dime. So I'm going to expose you guys how you can go along with that download hyperlink, how you can pause and make a few money. So first we're going to create our video so you can cross and reuse any unfastened software program. I'm using Camtasia Studio, but you may move and find unfastened modifying software programs I've shown you guys before. In case you don't know which one to use, just cross on Google, type in loose enhancing software program, and you're going to locate heaps of free ones. So generally they are all the identical, so the strategy is all the same for each unmarried software. So what you may do is you may cross and take this video right here, and at the give up we're going to click and we are going to put some textual content. So we are going to put, for instance, shall we embrace. We are going to position diff. You may cross and we're going to proper download this video totally free, link in description. So this manner, when a person clicks to your link, they can go in, download this video totally free, and you are going to make money from each download. So I'm going to show you guys a way to do it. So first of all, you can want to go and now create this video. You can go and click on right here or proportion. You may pause in and upload this video at once on YouTube, or you may store it to your desktop. So I created this video and that I wanted to expose you men how to add this video. So I am finished the entirety for you to reveal you guys, for instance. So first thing, how are you going to make money from this? So you wanted to move and just move on AdFly. You may move on Google, right, upload fly, or you could see right here the call of the internet site. And what this internet site does is you may pass and create Brief URL for every unmarried website in the arena you may cross and get paid for. Absolutely everyone who visits that URL and you will make money from them. Whilst a person clicks in your website, so they're not going to buy something you can see. Nowadays this internet site has were given over 2.5 million clicks, so they have made a lot of cash with this method. So that you don't want to pay for something to create this AdFly account, just click on right here on Be a Part of Now and make sure to enter everything efficaciously proper right here. When you click on the stop sign on your head, created your AdFly account. So when you log in, you'll see a web page that seems like this. And what we wanted to do now's we need to take the hyperlink in which we have downloaded this video, which is this hyperlink proper right here. So what's occurring now is we are going to paste our link proper here and click brief quick hyperlink proper here, so that you can see that is our hyperlink that we are going to use to make cash. So I wanted to show you guys how this looks as if. So allows move and paste this link right here to click on to see the way it looks like. So you can see right here they're going to ask to view. They are going to invite your customers to view this website for 5 seconds, and after they view it you are going to click on right here on bypass the ad, and then be someone clicks in this boss advert right here. You're going to ship them immediately to the link which you're looking to let them download, so that they can now cross and click on proper here on free download, and they could move and reuse this video anywhere they want to. So that is how easily this can be finished. And for anybody that clicks for your hyperlink and watch those ads, you'll make some cash. So I need to expose you men how a lot money you could usually make from each country, because that is also simply crucial. So AdFly really will pay loads more than YouTube for this approach. So you can see how plenty money for every 1,000 traffic that click on for your hyperlink you may make. So precise, generally you may make around $12.89 for every 1,000 perspectives that comes from US, but you may see it's miles tons much less from Canada. You could see from Canada for every 1,000 perspectives you can earn $6.60, but I can show you man how many visitors each single month involves this internet site. For these free films, 45 million. So if you get as an example 500,000 perspectives to your films each month, and people cross and download your movies, you are going to make a whole lot of money, man. So you can see if you need to check out from each unmarried US how a lot cash you could make for each 1,000 views. And additionally, it truly depends if the perspectives are coming from computing device or from cell. You may, but you do not want to worry about that, due to the fact usually human beings are going to use their computer to download these films, due to the fact they want to re-edit them to create their very own video or something like that. So usually you don't need to worry about this mobile CP, due to the fact mainly the perspectives are going to come from the laptop. So that is how much cash you could make for every 1,000 views. Now I want to show you men I'm able to make a test video for you guys to look how this looks as if. So you can see I have uploaded this video proper. Here I have named it check 1. However, you cannot truly locate it due to the fact I have left it on unlisted and nobody can genuinely see it. But what this virtually does is you may see proper here on the stop, you'll see download this video without spending a dime, hyperlink inside the description. So while someone clicks right here on this hyperlink that you're going to go away, we can see proper right here. While someone clicks on it, you're going to send them to feature fly a hyperlink, and while again they view this for 5 seconds, you may see right here this is a countdown for 5 seconds. You'll click, you can see 3, 1, and the bypass button goes to appear. When someone clicks on the bypass, you'll ship them at once to the link that they may be trying to download. So this is how you can make cash with this technique, man. It's far genuinely smooth for my part, and additionally, if this could